In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix UKG Pro account login. If you're having trouble signing in, the quickest fix is to reset your password through the official UKG launch page. I'll walk you through it from start to finish so you can get back into your account confidently. First, open your preferred web browser and search for UKG Pro. In the results, look for the official UKG launch login page. It typically references UKG or UltiPro in the address. Open that page to get to the standard sign-in screen. On the sign-in page, you'll see the login option. Go ahead and click it so you're on the proper sign-in form. If your password isn't working or you've forgotten it, don't worry. Right below the fields, click Create or Reset your password. This takes you to the secure recovery process. You'll be asked for the email address associated with your UKG Pro account. Enter your work or registered email carefully, making sure there are no typos. Using the exact email on file is important for the system to find your account. Next, click Get My Code. UKG will send a verification code to the email you just entered. Keep this browser tab open while you check your inbox. If you don't see the message within a minute or two, refresh your inbox, check your spam or junk folder, and verify that you entered the correct email. You can request another code if needed. Open the email from UKG and copy the code exactly as shown. Return to the verification page and paste or type the code into the field. Be mindful of extra spaces or transposed numbers, as codes are time limited and must match exactly. Click. Next to continue. You'll now be guided to create a new password. Follow the on-screen requirements. These often include a minimum length and a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and a special character. Choose something strong but memorable, avoid reusing old passwords, and consider a password manager to keep it secure. After you submit your new password, follow the instructions presented on screen. You may be prompted to sign in again. Simply use your username and the new password you just created. If the system asks you to confirm or complete any additional prompts, proceed as directed until you land on your UKG Pro home page. That's it. You searched for UKG Pro, opened the UKG launch login, selected Create or Reset your password, verified your email with a code, clicked Next, set a new password, and followed the on-screen instructions. Your login should now be fixed and ready to use.